I am at the airport headed to Paris with L'Oreal. I'm so excited. I'm wearing my best Parisian chic airport outfit. I have a red eye, so I'm going to be super tired. I already look tired, oh god. But I can't wait to show you guys what I get up to on my trip. Just arrived at Paris. Bonjour. It is 10:11 here and I'm really tired. Took a red eye. I look incredibly tired, but look at this view. I mean, of the buildings, but I'm so happy to have my own little patio. So cute here. I think I'm gonna have a quick nap and a shower and then head out for lunch with one of my friends from Dyson, actually, from when we went to New York together for Fashion Week. She leaves this afternoon, so I'm gonna try and meet her for lunch before she goes. So I wasn't able to have a nap, but I had a shower and I feel a lot better. And right now I'm in an Uber heading to meet Lily for lunch. It's a beautiful day here. I'm so excited to be here. Oh my god. Belle vie. I am now sitting outside with this Dr. Jart face mask on my face. I'm reading and drinking wine out of a mug. Not a bad view. About to head out for dinner. This is what I'm wearing. Got my red Zara boots on, girlfriend jeans. These are usually the jeans that I'm wearing when you guys ask on Instagram. JW Anderson bag, Aritzia sweater, Robert Rodriguez coat from Shopbop. My necklaces are Lisbeth, Missima, and then this little choker here is from Zoe Chico. And this is my face, my tired face. Hell yeah, Fashion Week, kid. Bonjour Paris! It is a bit of a gloomy day today. I had an amazing sleep last night. I slept for over 9 hours. I feel really good. I am just about to go for breakfast and then we're going to an Irving Penn exhibit, who's an amazing old photographer. Really excited about that. Today I'm wearing Les Girls shirt. It's a little bit bright with a Elizabeth and James blazer, girlfriend jeans, and my red boots. Beginning of the Instagram flat lay by Irving Penn. You saw it here first. Just finished the Irving Penn exhibit and it was amazing. So incredibly talented. And this book just so I am off to shoot. This is look one guys will have to wait and see it on the blog. It's pretty different for me, but I'm trying to mix it up a little bit. Okay, so I just shot like 4 outfits. Gotta take advantage of being in Paris. Gonna go have lunch and then do some shopping. And then we're gonna have dinner tonight for our last night in Paris. And I'll be sad to leave, but it'll be nice to go home to my family. Dinner out in Paris. This is my outfit. Red leather boots, they're so comfy. Jeans, sans cassette top, and a big Robert Rodriguez jacket. We are off to dinner at Davocco. Apparently it's amazing Italian food. Truffles. Oh my god. Smoked veal, risotto.